What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we will take a quick look at the XRP price chart and the Stellar price chart to of course see what we can expect in the next time. But before we are getting started, as always, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. There you will get all the information first, all the trades and investments that I'm making. So definitely check that out. It is the first link in the video description. And now let's get straight into the analysis. We will start with XRP, and right now you are seeing the XRP price chart. Right now you can see that we are back in our support zone, the support zone from the 50, between the 50 and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and right now we are at 46.8 cents. The low was at 44.8 cents. So we came very close to the last bottom right here where we hit 43.5 cents. And currently we see no strength in XRP. So as I'm expecting this, the 32 days time frame that we projected here from the first pump back in 2017, very likely, or better said, it is becoming more likely and more likely every day that we have to extend this time window for our next price projection. Of course, when there are updates, then I will upload a video, or you get the information first on my Patreon account. But now, as I said, not really much strength in XRP right now. But if we take a look at Stellar, then we can see that Stellar has more strength than XRP. In Stellar, we are not even going back to the support zone. We tested the beginning from the support zone and then quickly jumped back up. Right now we have a reversible candle, but the daily candle is not closed, so 2.5 hours to go till this candle will close. In this 2.5 hours, of course, there can be changes, but right now this looks like a reversible candle, and that would be a good sign. Also, as I mentioned in my last videos about XRP and Stellar, in the first wave, so in this upward movement here, XRP was leading the way, and right now it looks like that Stellar will lead the way. And when Stellar now is already going up, then maybe XRP will follow, but later on, so after Stellar. Also, we had bad news for XRP. I'm sure you already heard this. The SEC want to sue XRP, and I think that we don't have to talk about this very long. I have 2 sentences from the whole news, and I think when you know these 2 sentences, you know what's going on. And the 2 sentences are: the SEC has indicated in the past that this corporate setup could mean that Ripple violated laws against selling unregistered securities. The comments from Ripple executives on Monday indicate that the regulators now plan to take this argument to court. And then there is a quote: "It's frankly preposterous," wow, this is a very hard word for me, "and not grounded in fact. Mr. Garlinghouse said, we are very confident in our position." So that means that Ripple is or will be sued for selling unregistered securities, but the people behind XRP are very confident in their position, so that they have nothing big to worry about. And from my point of view, that are the most important parts of this news. Also, 3 more things that I want to show you, and the first one is, of course, you know it, the Fear and Greed Index. Fear and Greed Index right now is still very high, and I think that this Fear and Greed Index is mostly covered right now from Bitcoin, because if you look at the chart on Bitcoin, this is almost straight up, no real corrections, very volatile. And of course, a couple of days ago, where Ripple was, for example, right here, this also matched with the Ripple price, but you can make a self-study right here, for example, where XRP got this big move up. I'm sure you also are or were very bullish or greedy, and make a self experiment right now. Are you still this bullish or greedy right now in Ripple as you were back here where the price got pumped big time? And I'm pretty sure that the answer is no. I think the most part of the XRP investors right now are not as confident as before. Maybe they are fearful right now or frustrated, and then also we have bad news. So I'm pretty sure that the fear and greed index right now is not the same for the whole market, or especially Bitcoin, than as it is in XRP. What is a very good sign for us, because it's always the other way around. So if we have extreme greed, this is not good for us. If we have fear or extreme fear, or in this, let's say in Ripple right now, it's depression, it's unhappiness. 2 weeks ago, everyone was talking about XRP at whatever price, $100, $1,000, everything was possible. And right now it's how much was this whole correction? Right now it was down 44% from the peak to the dip, and now everything is shit again. And that is exactly what I can see right now. You can always do the self-check. Just go on YouTube, just go on Facebook groups, and there you see what the people are writing. If they are writing, no, that's XRP is going down again to whatever price, or if the people that, for example, I can see this in Bitcoin, people write, I have bought Bitcoin, I have no idea, what else can I buy, have you any tips? And that is of course a very bad sign. Also, you can go on YouTube, for example, just type in XRP Ripple, and then you would see 2 weeks ago, for example, so where we are right here, you will see XRP price prediction $100, $200. In the comments, the people say, no, $100 is unrealistic, it will go much higher, or something like this. And if you search for it right now, then you will, of course, most likely will get only the news with the lawsuit. But in general, the whole opinion is not that bullish again, and that is for me a positive sign again. We have to wait now if Ripple can stay above this support level right here. Of course, when there are any changes, I will upload an update video on that. But Stellar, for example, as I said, looks very good right now. Of course, we have to wait till the daily candle close, but this looks, of course, better than in XRP right now. We have to wait and see if XRP will break this support level, or if it will hold this level, and maybe there will be another good entry point in XRP. And the final thing that I want to show you is this right here. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and this is not looking really good for us as altcoin investors, because you can see that since September last year we are in a bearish trend, and yesterday we broke out of that bearish trend, had a daily candle close. Most likely this candle will also close above the resistance level. So that is not a good sign for us as altcoin investors, because that is meaning that Bitcoin will outperform most of the altcoins, and that is of course not what we want as, for example, Ripple holders or Stellar holders. And if this is a real outbreak, what it looks like right now, then of course we have to wait till we have a topping formation, and then we can expect that the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, and in the best case this Bitcoin dominance will fall back into this bearish trend, and then there is way more space to grow for altcoins. Of course, if there should be any changes on this, then I will update you. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. If this video was helpful, then leave a like. If you have another opinion on that, then feel free to write that down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.